Clark County Coroner is out with the official causes of death for the 4 people killed in that fierce house fire in late October. It was the smoke that got them, not the flames. Carbon monoxide toxicity is what killed 4 members of the Adem family. The flame spread so quickly it forced 2 other family members to jump from a second-story window. They survived. The incident report says the fire started on the 2nd floor, but they had to demolish this entire structure. If you remember, right afterward, it was so unsafe, and investigators were not able to pinpoint the cause. It has gone down officially as undetermined. Thousands